Welcome back. This is Vicky. This is part 2 of the 100 words native speakers of English commonly pronounce different than the spelling. All pronounced words are correct, but pronounced differently by different people. So that's why it may sound a little bit different depending on your accent and where you're from. We'll mainly be concentrating on how native speakers of American English usually pronounce these words. Now, if you want, you can use the CC closed caption in your language if you need to. Click the CC button and then choose language. It should be up there on the right. This will make the closed caption show up in your language if you want to see the translation. It would also be a good idea for you to write each word with the pronunciation in your English notebook. You can always write your native language translation next to each word if it helps you. Our goal is to be able to say the words to communicate and be understood in English, and also to sound like a native speaker. Let's go! Nephew, nephew. Pajamas, pajamas, pajamas. Tomato, tomato. Any. Baloney. This word's usually read wrong by most people. Baloney. Temperature, temperature, temperature. Yogurt, yogurt. Iron, iron. Salmon, salmon. The L is silent. Salmon. Vase, vase. Herb, herb. The H is silent in this word. Herb. Cinnamon, cinnamon. Drama, drama. Visa, visa. Turquoise, turquoise. This is a color and it's also a stone. Turquoise. Leisure, leisure. Some people say leisure. I say leisure. It's your choice. Interest, interest. Receipt, receipt. Resume, resume. Insurance, insurance. Wolf, wolf. Jaguar, jaguar. Harass, harass. Harassment, harassment. Gourmet, gourmet. Karaoke, karaoke, karaoke. Picture, picture. Route or route. They both mean the same thing, pronounced differently by different people. Route or route. Both are correct. Sword, sword. Quinoa, quinoa. Many people read this and say this word wrong, but it's quinoa, quinoa. Vitamin, vitamin, vitamin. Buffet. Buffet. Jalapeno. By the way, buffet is a French word, so the ET is sound like A. Buffet. And jalapeno is a Hispanic word. The J in Hispanic language is usually pronounced as an H. Jalapeno. Tortilla. This is also a Spanish word. The two L's in tortilla are pronounced as a Y sound. That is the way it's pronounced in Hispanic languages. Tortilla. Croissant. Croissant. This is also a French word, but we use this word a lot in English. Croissant. A croissant for breakfast. Croissant. Or a croissant. Pecan. Some people say pecan. That's okay. Both are correct. Pecan or pecan. Zucchini. Zucchini. Coffee. Coffee. Recipe. Recipe. Spinach. Spinach. Spatula. Spatula. Teaspoon. Teaspoon. Grater. Grater. Juicer. Juicer. Kettle. Kettle. Oven. Oven. Blender. Blender. Can opener. Can opener. Cutting board. Cutting board. Cutting board. Dishwasher. Dishwasher. Well done. That's it for today's lesson. We practiced 50 words. See part 1 for the first 50 words. So a total of 100 words practiced. Great job. Thank you for practicing with me. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel so you can find me again, and share it with other people that may need help learning English. See you soon. Bye-bye.